Customer says throttle feels like it is on life support. Oil turned into peanut butter surprise bonus spread. Owner bought car then visited mechanic twice and never again bravery medal earned. Customer fixed tire himself, but error keeps escaping revenge mission. Tech finds tape over nail hole Mac Jiver level 1 achieves. Car shakes like washing machine filled with bricks on spin cycle. Suspension snapped, customer inserted sneaker as replacement orthopedic device. Shifting feels like stirring cold oatmeal with wet noodle. I have no explanation for this wizardry. Never seen a car that pours its own milkshake. Party trick unlocked. Probably added washer fluid to coolant. Cocktail mixology gone wrong. AC wind offers ode to dumpster, customer gags immediately. Cabin filter removed, reveals rodent-restroom deluxe suite included. Customer hears hiss, then AC gives up, ghost compressor explosion confirmed. Tech opens compressor, finds internal fireworks display finish. Customer says front wheels now steer like outside chopsticks ballet move. Engine runs hot enough to roast marshmallows over hood. Correct, it is electric glitter Claymore. Welcome to future.